Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to Fun Food and Travel. Hello friends. Today let's make Aloo Samosa. We can easily make perfect, crispy, flaky and delicious samosas at home. So let's see the recipe. Wash and boil 3 to 4 potatoes until just done. Peel and cool the potatoes and crumble them and set aside. Now let's prepare the dough. I am taking 2 cups all-purpose flour in a mixing bowl. Add 3/4 teaspoon ajwain or carom seeds, 3/4 teaspoon of salt and mix. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil or ghee and mix everything very well. Rub the flour in between your palms to incorporate the oil well for 2 to 3 minutes. Press a handful of this flour in your palm. It should form or hold the shape. Add very little water and begin to form a dough ball, adding more water as needed. The dough has to be very firm, stiff and not sticky. Grease the dough with little oil and cover and rest it for 25 to 30 minutes. For kneading the dough, I have hardly used 1/4 cup of water for 2 cups of maida. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan and add 3/4 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Add 1 teaspoon chopped ginger. Add boiled green peas. Stir once and add all the masalas. I am adding half teaspoon turmeric powder, 3/4 teaspoon garam masala, 3/4 teaspoon cumin powder, half teaspoon amchur powder, 1 teaspoon chili powder and 1 teaspoon salt. Saute all the ingredients on low flame for 1 minute and then add boiled potatoes. Now add boiled and mashed potatoes and saute the entire potato masala for 2 to 3 minutes until the potatoes blend well with spice powders. Now set this mixture aside to cool down completely. Divide the dough into equal parts and make the balls. It becomes little harder to roll it as the dough is firm and stiff. It needs little pressure, but when you oil the counter, you can roll it into a thin roti. Cut it in the center to make 2 parts. Similarly, we will prepare all the rotis and keep them aside. Now let's see how to give shape to it. Apply water with your finger over the straight edge. Join the edges to make a cone shape. Stick the edges well. Stick the edge from inside the cone as well to secure. Fill the cone with potato masala. Press down a little bit. Make a pleat, apply water on the edge, stick the edges to seal well. Press down on the edges very well to seal them. Similarly, let's make all the samosas ready. Make all your samosas in a similar way. And now let's deep fry them. Heat a pan with oil for deep frying. The oil should not be very hot or smoky hot. It should be of medium hot. Place 4 to 5 samosas at a time for frying. Fry them on a low to medium flame. They will take a lot of time to fry into golden brown. Fry until golden and crisp. When the samosas turn golden brown, remove them to a serving plate. And our tasty hot samosas are ready to have with evening tea. Hope you liked the video. If you like, please share with your friends. Please do subscribe for more of my coming up videos. Don't forget to click the bell icon. Thank you for watching.